Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily export chart of accounts to Excel in QuickBooks Online. So, just head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on the Settings button. Then, under the Your Company, click on Chart of Accounts. So from here, of course, make sure that all the information and details are all correct before you export it. Then once you're ready to export the chart of accounts, start by clicking on Run Report. So this is how it looks like. And to export, just click on the Export button, then choose Export to Excel. And as you can see, it is now downloaded as an Excel file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!